Alright, so I've got cable wiring, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to rewire that damn 25. I've got on order new charge coil, new set of points. I had 2 different sets of points in that thing. One size was bigger than the other. I think I have enough coils laying around here. Something's got to work. But it's just kind of hard to believe that both of those coils blew out at the same time. Same with the charge coil. It's just something weird going on. So we'll get it all figured out. And while I'm waiting for that stuff to come in, it's going to be a few days, I'll get some work done on Erica's boat, which, man, I'm not looking forward to standing out there in that heat, beating on them dang gum bolts. But meanwhile, I gotta do this. So I'm gonna run down to the boat, see what condition it's in, see if I can get some paint on the floor. Well, it looks pretty good still. Yeah, I'll do a little wet rag cleanup. I didn't get the oil base. It's just going to be too expensive, but I did get exterior. It's supposed to be pretty good stuff. Plus, this thing being under the slip, it's not taking a beating out in the sun anymore. So it should be all right. It's just for cleaning up. All right, baby, we were off to the races. So I'm over here taking these wires off and stuff, and I look in here and there's a few bird feathers stuck in here, and I see all this like styrofoam floating around, and I've never seen that before in this boat, although this whole floor's got styrofoam under it. I think it's got a couple different kinds of foam under there. I said I've never seen that before. I think something's in there digging around, making me a mess. That's just weird. The water is just from the rain coming in sideways. But I mean, that's an awful lot of freaking styrofoam. 5 years this floor's been in. Over 5 now. Never seen chunks of styrofoam like that floating around. Something got to be in there. It's probably a freaking dock rat. I don't know. I think you can see it in there. So you see that? It's a rat turd. It's a little dirtier than I thought it was. It's a big rat turd. Or I think it's a big mouse turd. Oh baby. I had to cut a big old hole in there. You know what? I left my knife. My putty knife. My smoothie. What do I got real quick here? Let's see. Cut this baby up. Make me a smoothie. Anyway, this is all about cosmetic and about anything else. It should do. Crappy cut. There we go. See here. Ooh, baby. Oh, yeah. And I'll get in there with my finger. If need be. Boy, that was just enough for that side. Let it tack up a little bit and I'll smooth it out with my hand. Ooh, look how pretty that is. It's just that right there. Just look how pretty that looks compared to that. All right, let's get this other side done. I'm just going to start back here and work my way up. Anyway, this is stuff I like to use. It's real fine. I don't like that real thick floor texture. Anyway, you don't want to be breathing it in. Boy, you can sure see what a mess the floor is after 5 years. But the other place, you know, out in the sun, 24/7, 7 days a week, you know, rain, beat the hell out of it. Then the boats would come by and the water would splash in over the back there, and you know, it took a pretty good beating out there. But I mean, for 5 years, it's held up pretty good. When I first put it in, boy, it looked like $1 million. Wow, I just touched it. That's just paint from the paintbrush and stuff on my fingers. It's pretty dry. That's just one coat though. But it's drying quick. I'm backing myself into a corner. It's getting hot out too. I don't know if you can see the texture in there. I think it's silica. Anyway, you're supposed to mix it in the paint. That's where I had that big patch. And I just took some and sprinkled it down there. And it got kind of coagulated. You know, it's hiding that spot, but not the way I really wanted it to. You know, you can go over it, do it again. You're supposed to mix it in the paint. I did throw some in the paint, but not much. Whew. Yeah, much happier now, much happier now. That's a real nice bright white. And anything else in Florida, it's too hot. I tried the gray, that old boat I had. The hell was that crazy thing called? And it had gray floors. Forget about it. You could not go barefooted. Let's put it that way. Could not go barefooted. Anyway, I'm going to try and pack it all in here, hit that last spot. It's the Green Slime Lagoon. Look how green it is. Every once in a while, too, you hear, you know, something's in there. I don't know what, but something's in there. So it's 98 degrees in the RV. It's 2:45. Holy magaroli. It didn't, it's going to need another coat. Didn't come out very good. You know, I was able to get in there. I had to take my shoes off and go in with my socks on and just start putting everything back in. I'm not lugging all that crap home. But first something fell in the water. Kabloop! I don't know what it was. I thought it was my screwdriver, but that was in my pocket. And every time the boat would drift that way, that cord that's tying it up would catch the handle on that big cooler, and I don't know, something just went kaploop right here. I tried to fish it out with the net, but it's just muck. It's got to be 3 feet of muck. So I don't know what it was. Anyway, I'm just going to throw everything back in. I had to get my magnet or something down there and see what if I could fish it out. It can't be anything real important. I can't remember what everything was sitting up there. All right, it's down to 98 or 89 already. It works pretty good, these 2 little AC units. A lot better than that old piece of junk, rooftop piece of junk they put on these things. Well, it wasn't the pack of razor blades. And I hate to say it, but I think it may have been my phone. I remember I had it in my back pocket and I was like, I better do something with this thing. I bet that's what it was. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Look at this mess. If it was in here, it'd be laying like right here. Wait a minute, there it is. There. Thank God. It wasn't the phone. Thank God. So I still don't know what it was. Like I said, found the razor blades. Wow, thank you, phone gods. Unbelievable. Well, let's see what she looked like. Oh yeah, baby, look good. You can barely see that spot right there. I need to move right there. I just want to get this thing coated before it gets all filthy dirty again. And then here, coming through here, maybe get underneath a little bit. That's where I put that texture. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Dried up pretty good right there. I redid it 3 freaking times. Now she's looking better. All evened up. This type of paint too, still, you drag those batteries around, it's gonna leave freaking scuff marks. And I got enough paint left over to do my cabinet, I think. Anyway, not bad for $34 can of paint, half a gallon. All right, let's go see what we can do with Erica's boat. No, I don't want to. But too late now, buddy, you got to. Please don't make me do it, please. It's 110 out. Oh God, how am I gonna survive this? Oh man, that motor is right in the sun. At least gonna have to wait till it gets shady. I ain't going back there right now. No! Not in the mood looking forward to this. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, how am I gonna get those? I can't bang those ones in the bottom. It's ridiculous. Hey, calf inch. Well, before anybody says anything, I don't have any MAP gas. All I have is propane. So, shut up. Oh man. Should I even try the propane or give one a whack and see what happens? Nothing. This is going to wear my ass out. Oh man, you got all these wires right here. Hold on. This is not going to be good. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, please, outboard gods. Please, put your blessings upon us. Wasn't hot enough out, I had to add to it. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. Did it move? Kind of looked like it did. Yes. Yes. Thank you, outboard gods. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. If the whole thing goes like that, man, psst, burn my lips off. Wow. I can't believe it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, spank you, spank me. See this stuff here, Turner propane fuel. You should have seen the price tag that was on it. It said $2.19. When's the last time you paid $2.19? This came out of the thing that the garage over there. It's been in there since God knows how long. Since propane was $2.19. Come on, baby. Mini sledge. Yeah, I thought it was turning. It is. When you're hot, you're hot. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more to go. Little extra long time that time. There she goes. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's hot. Wow, there's no corrosion on these screws. So, that was part of my theory that this thing overheated. It wasn't peeing that day I started it. And blew this gasket out. And it's not a gasket, it's just a freaking O-ring on these, with all lathered up with sealer. This may be a video first. Guinness World Record time. Come on, baby. It's hot no matter where you go. Those wires. It's just the tape, the insulation getting singed. Come on, baby. Did you hear that? Here comes the thunder and the rain. Even though you can't smell it, I can. And it don't smell good. Come on now. Let that one rest. Maybe something will happen. Maybe I can shoot a little PB in the other hole and might leak down or something. I was going to say, let me go get a breaker bar. I got one over here. Let me go get one. Oh, there it goes. Oh, shit. I hate to use that word breaker. Are you kidding me? Oh, a PV blaster stink now. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Just for the hell of it. Oh my God, you're not gonna believe this. You're not gonna believe this. Oh my God, the outboard gods blessed me again. How is this happening? I mean, I just beat the hell out of it with that thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Thank God in heaven. Thank the outboard. I've never seen bolts this loose on a head before. But I mean, beating on it with that damn thing. How come it just didn't break like this? I'm not getting it. And this is a good one too. This is a good one. Oh man, this is just ridiculous. Let's be world record. Oh man, there's got to be a reason for this. Is it because it was driven with a bad seal? Loosen things up? I don't know. I mean, there isn't one bit of corrosion on these bolts, and she's salt water, you know? I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe it, man. It's amazing how easy it is to go from totally miserable to so happy. Oh, that was a little tougher. Running out of room too. Right there in that corner. Come on, baby. Yeah. I can't believe it. Look at it, it looks like brand new freaking bolts. I can't get that one. Ouch. Oh my God, this is just ridiculous. Oh man, my prayers have been answered. One of them. I need to get in there with something smaller. Oh shit, man, I don't want to be under this tree with the lightning. You don't have to be far away. Or you don't have to be close, I should say. It's a pain in the ass. I'm still in shock. Shock and awe. There we go. Come on, baby. Man, let me see what's going on over there. That thunder. Wonder which way it's going. What? We just, by the grace of God, last night, man, missed a big nasty storm. Them nighttime deals. Well, I'm about done here. So all I'm going to do is pull these off and head inside and cool off. Stop, thundering. I've got to get the warning. I'm leaving. Oh, that one's still in there. I'll leave that last one in till it's time, because it's loose. It's just a pain in the ass to get in that corner. Man, I'm telling you what, I need to go buy some lottery tickets or something. Hit the bar. All right, so I'm gonna leave that last one in. Look at that, right, like brand new. Oh, please. Nothing like the little B. They don't even call it PB anymore. They just call it blaster. A little blaster for lunch. All right, I'm out of here. Put this lid on. Stay tuned for the unveiling. I think we're gonna get real lucky here. It's just gonna need a new gasket. Well, it ain't going nowhere, so I'll be back tomorrow. Beautiful, man. Couldn't ask for more.
Oh yeah, baby.